my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is part one of a 4-part series that is going to be held every Wednesday starting today for the next 4 weeks. And it is a collaboration of out with the old and in with the new. Let's start off the new year with cleaning, decluttering, just getting your house in order. And this collaboration is hosted by Penny over at Penny's Lifestyle Living, and there are a number of co-hosts that are also part of this collaboration. They are the Grace Life DIY, At Home with Lisa, Amethyst Adventures, Buckeye Girls, Decor and Lifestyle, Organized by Darcy, The Work From Home Wife of Atlanta, J Mom Creations, and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. It's time for me to start picking up the boxes from Christmas, and I always save my boxes and my gift bags, so I'm going to show you how I have everything arranged. Normally what I do is I separate all of the boxes, I fold them down, and I separate them into each individual box set. And then I have a place in our garage where we keep an entertainment center that we used to have in our old house, but we didn't have room for it in this house. But in the garage, there's a perfect ledge space that it fits perfectly in. So that's where I keep a lot of my gift wrap stuff, my boxes, my decor, my crafts, all of that. And that's why I'm in my garage and I'm separating all these boxes on top of the hood of my car. But anyway, I get all of the box sets together and I have some drawer space in that entertainment center that I have the gift boxes in. I have the bigger ones in the slot above where I'm putting these boxes, and then I have a drawer for the medium boxes, and then I have the bottom drawer for the smaller boxes. Now for my gift bags, I have this little cart here that I used in my other house for all of my Happy Planner, like sticker books and stuff, but I have a place for that in my office now. So I use this, and this cart fits perfectly between that entertainment center and our garage refrigerator. So that is where I keep all of my gift bags. But throughout the year, they've kind of gotten, in disarray. So I'm just going to take all of the bags out. I'm going to clear off the shelf. I'm going to rearrange the bags and put them in groups where they are alike. And here are the bags that were on that cart. I'm going to clean off the rest of the cart, get everything off there that doesn't belong. And then I'm going to start regrouping the bags. I have a group for Christmas bags. I have a group for like any occasion. They're not really labeled anything. Then I have birthday, then I have baby, and now I'm just going to put them back on the cart. I put the Valentine's and Christmas on the bottom, and then in the middle shelf I have the all occasion / birthday gift bags. I had this little bin in another area on that entertainment center, but it has like Dollar Tree mini ornaments, which I use for just like when I decorate or when I wrap gifts. Plus this is all ribbon. So I'm going to keep that box with all the gift bags on the cart. And here is what the cart looks like now. Okay, if you've been around, you know that I do some home staging, and I like to keep a lot of kind of floral slash greenery, and it was just looking like a hot mess on this entertainment center. So I am moving I have these two kind of apple barrels that I'm using to put all of the floral in so that I can now rearrange this entertainment center so it doesn't look so absolutely terrible. All right, part of what I'm going to take care of is this closet. I have Christmas wrapping paper in here, and I've used these in the past. These are kind of suit covers or whatever, but they have started ripping. This one is pretty ripped, pretty good. But I liked them because they have pockets in them. And then at the bottom, I could keep like tissue paper and stuff. But I can't find these anymore. So I'm just going to try to consolidate all my Christmas wrapping paper and all other season wrapping paper. So that's what I'm going to do now. Also, this is new wrapping paper. Well, this is one that was here in my son's room, but I only buy new wrapping paper at the end of the season because it's much cheaper. Like this was $1.25, something like that. So anyway, I also have to put this in the wrapping paper container as well. What I'm basically going to do is just kind of inventory the rolls of wrapping paper that are in there already and just try to consolidate them, put them together. Like this roll right here, it was almost gone. So I just took out the cardboard center and put it in the middle of another roll of wrapping paper. And I'm going to do the same with this. This was almost used, and I hate wasting wrapping paper. So I'm just going to take the cardboard center out, put it in the middle of another roll, and so that's going to help save some space without wasting the wrapping paper. Now, the wrapping paper that's in this suit bag is all occasion, like birthday or just kind of generic wrapping paper. So I'm just going to have to put it in the same wrapping paper container as the Christmas paper. But again, I'm going to just consolidate as much as possible so that I don't have to use these suit bags anymore. Even though I love the suit bags because they're perfect for keeping, a roll of tape, pins, labels, gift tags, the tissue paper. But unfortunately, like I said, I can't find those anymore. Honestly, I really am going to try to see what I can do to repurpose these bags. All right, I am getting ready to take down all of my Christmas decorations, but goodness, I have these 5 boxes here that have a little bit of Christmas decor in each one. That one more craft, but mostly Christmas. This is one that I pared down before Christmas. This one just has a little bit in it. That one has a little bit in it. And I just need to go through this. I'm determined to whittle this down. So I'm going to go through each box and just purge. I'm just going to make myself. Oh, goodness. Here we go. All right. I think I'm going to start on this box first, but yeah, I'm going to start on this box first, but this is a lot of ornaments, and it's just ornaments that I just don't really use anymore, but some of them have kind of memories to them. So I think I'll take this box, which has just small, you know, generic ornaments, and I don't know, empty that out into something else and use this box for the ornaments that I don't want to throw away, but I don't really use. So yeah, that's the method to my madness at this point. All right, after going through the ornaments, so these are definitely some that I want to keep. I don't know, I think I just get tired of decorating and I just am like, okay, that looks good enough. But these are ornaments that I really love, so I'm keeping these, and I'm just gonna make sure that I decorate fully next year. This is stuff that I'm going to donate. Anyway, and then this, I'm going to go through this. A lot of these, I'm like, why didn't I use that this year? So I'm going to put those back in here. But some of the ones I know I won't use, I'll keep them in this box and just put them away. Box number 2 is empty. And this was in this box, but I have pared this box down. So I'm just going to take these ornaments out, and I'm going to use the bubble wrap down first. Then I'm going to lay the breakable ones down. But this, so that tree right out there is what this is the box I use for those decorations. So I'm just going to go ahead and put these back in here and put this outside by that tree so that, yeah, I will know where this box is when I get ready to undecorate. Well, here is the final result. I already showed you the 2 boxes that box right there is for that tree. The other box is for the tree on the patio. And I did clear out some of the stuff from there. I got this box empty. I got this box empty. I have this box kind of pared down a little and reorganized. And then this box right here is actually for our outdoor lights. So I did just kind of bind the lights that are in there, because we'll probably use them next year, but we just didn't use them this year. So anyway, I think I made good progress. I got 2 empty boxes, so that is a win. Thanks again to Penny and all of the other co-hosts and wonderful creators that have taken part in this collaboration to get everyone started off on the right foot this new year with getting our homes back in order. Make sure to check out Penny's channel as well as everyone else's channel. Check out the playlist in the description box. And if you're new to my channel or coming over from one of their channels, I want to say welcome, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel and being a part of my YouTube family. Click that bell button so you don't miss any of my videos, because I'm also coming up with a collaboration series of my own, and it also has to do with decluttering, so you don't want to miss that. Give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out with YouTube, and make sure that you check out the link that I'm showing you now to get more cleaning and organizing motivation in your home. And I will see you next time. Bye.